Today I am making a game, a platformer game. Now, why am I doing this? Why? And then now listen, okay? I have, I have no idea. Yes, I think it's because platformers are popular. Anyway, so I started my journey loading a new 2D Unity project and name it Call for Kicked. I don't know why I wrote, but yeah. And then I just made 2D and then create. Now once that's loaded, the first thing I did is head out to the web and the asset store and downloaded a 2D character because I'm too lazy to make a character animations, so I might as well reuse a one that has already been created. And this turned out to be exactly what I needed. It has all of this sword, shield, this thing, whatever, so boom. I imported that and I put together this. Now it looks a bit bland, so we need some props like bushes, chests, and rocks. So I also made this simple character controller, something. It works, so yeah, whatever. And then I put together this using the props, and it looks much better. And I downloaded the props from OpenGamer, so yeah, cool. Now here's a bit of a gameplay of what we have done. It's a pretty short level, so I obviously have to extend it. And also downloaded the chest when realized that the animations were terrible and it does not have any like open close animation something. So I downloaded this Bayard Games thing. It has a chest or whatever. And then I made some code and then I spent my time connecting some lines to some boxes. I don't know what I'm doing. And it now works perfectly. No, does not. Now? No. What's happening, dude? Okay, so now it is common knowledge that what's the point of a chest if it does not give you anything? So I'm adding some kind of power-ups. I first started making a blue pill thing and then I wrote some code and upgraded the chest code that wrote some code. This basically picks a random number and I have some if statements, something. And then now I'm testing it. Now the chest gives you some random power-ups and the power-up I only added is just number 1. So yeah, it's gonna take a little bit of time to get one. Give me one. Okay, it's finally give me one and you can see a blue pill has instantiated. And as you can see, I move a lot faster. I can go out of bounds too because I haven't added the entire level. So bye. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna make some particles using Unity's particle system. I gotta write some I enumerator. What is that? Okay, and then here's what all we put. Don't ask me why that blue cylinder thing is there. I don't know, it's not even in the scene and it's putting it. So whatever, so if I walk up here, okay, first try blue pill and now this particle comes and then you can stand close and the blue pill's gone. Right now I am a fast boy, so yeah, I am fast boy. So this is the general idea of the power up. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna keep. It's pretty cool. I just need to improve it, so I'm just gonna go ahead. So I made a text which will pop up. So for example, blue gives you speed. And I started making a green pill, which is cool. And the green pill basically makes you a jumpy boy. So yeah, I get the green pill and then boom, jump. I jump really high, so yeah, boom. I'm jumpy. My name is Jumpy. I'm a rabbit also. Once I get this green power up. Anyway, next I started making the level because currently it's just a bit of grass. look like. So add a bit more props, a signboard, whatever the thing is. The chest did not give me anything because I don't have any big power-ups. And then there's a hole and there's a big thing, whatever it's called. And there's a thing here, and I made a floating maze. Now this should be moving. I can't seem to get it working. I don't understand why it's not working. And what do we do? Google? Boom. Long story short, I found a tutorial by Unity Official, and after watching 3 seconds of the tutorial, I am practically a spring joint expert. And now you can see it in action, not really action because I'm still surfing. Okay, now I'm just gonna cross the entire level, get the chest, so that gave me a blue pill. Woo! Jump that thing, and now let's see if I can cross it. So yeah, no, first try, no, come on. Okay, it works at least, so that's good. Yeah, there's no player buggy something. It at least works. Yeah, it works. No, not really. No, stop, not see it. You should not see that clip. Stop it. Okay, just pretend that you did not see that clip, okay? There's nothing buggy. Okay, now I changed it to squares, and yeah, I don't know. If you can cross it, if you're an elite gamer like me, you can see the elite gamer on screen. Come on. Now I'll be able to cross it. And boom. No. Come on. No. Again, no, this is not easy. Woo! Blue pill. I am fast. Now it's time to finally prove myself. And yay! I did it. Nice. So this is going to be the end of today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it and watched through the end. There is something